Hello there, Fragrance fam. It's me, Caitlin, back here in the AFI Project Lab with a little project to help your car smell amazing. But first, if you're new, welcome to AFI. Join our Fragrance fam by subscribing and liking this video if you enjoy what we have in store for you. Let's make some adorable mini reed diffusers for your car. These are way cuter than those little cardboard cutouts and smell 10 times better thanks to our fragrance of choice today, our version of White Bard's Mahogany Teakwood. Let's jump in. No matter what kind of reed diffuser you're making, you're gonna need two things, your fragrance and your carrier liquid. I'm using butyl carbonate, which is a VOC compliant and blends seamlessly with fragrance oil. Without it, reed diffusers won't have a super strong throw. And of course, I've got our version of Mahogany Teakwood by White Barn here, which makes for a great everyday fragrance for your home, office, and of course, your car. Blend the fragrance and carrier liquid together at a 50-50 ratio. Stir them together using a stirring rod until they're well combined, and use a funnel to fill your mini diffuser bottles. Because these bottles are so tiny, I recommend getting a bunch of them so you can make these in bulk. They're available all across the web for a decent price, but be careful when you pour them. Using a funnel or a pipette to fill them really helps. Screw the caps back on and then tip the bottle over to allow the fragrance mixture to saturate the wood. The wood is porous and will slowly release the fragrance over time. Whenever you want to refresh it, tip the bottle over again. And from here, they're done. The little cord makes it easy to tie these up on your rearview mirror and gets the car smelling great. For more project inspo like this, head on over to our channel where you can learn how to make home reed diffusers and tons of other products. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me in the lab today. And if you did, drop a like on this video. It helps our channel a lot so we can keep these videos coming for you. As always, I'm Caitlin and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.